Hi, and welcome to this new video. We are going to talk about today the adjective order. Okay, this is quite difficult, I would say. It's not easy to remember this order, but you don't have to memorize. Okay, remember, don't memorize the order. Just do examples, just write a few sentences, as many as you need, and then the order will intuitively, sooner or later will come into place. Okay, so this is the objective is to know about the order, and later on, by examples, by listening, by conversation, you will see that you will eventually use it properly. Okay, so the first we're going to see like 8 categories, and the first is quantity or number. Okay, quantity, and then we're gonna see some adjectives, examples of adjectives, and then you're going to be able to see some examples, and I'm going to give you some homework at the end of the video. So quantity: a lot, many, some, plenty, enough, several, a couple of people, etc. Okay, number: 2, 100, 1,000, hundreds, thousands. Okay, if you don't know any of these adjectives, please stop the video and look it up in your dictionary, because it's very important that every time that you see a word that you don't know, you should look it up. Okay, second category: quality or opinion. Okay, qualities, it could be good, nice, beautiful, strong, weak, tasty, sabroso, tasty, okay, etc. Opinion: amazing, incredible, hot, pretty, handsome, funny, okay. Sometimes a quality or opinion is this is why they are in the same category, because you don't know exactly what's a quality and what's an opinion, like sarcastic or loving, clever, or upset. Upset, it could be your opinion, it could be the real quality. So, but in any case, they are in the same category. Okay. Then we continue with size. Well, thin, small, large, little, small, etc. Age or time. Okay, new, old, medieval, ancient, 3-year-old, monthly, daily, weekly. Shape, different shapes like rectangular, round, spherical. Colors, obviously red, green, gray. This is the sixth category. And the seventh category: proper adjective, like nationality or origin or material. Okay, Spanish, Latin, French, Mongolian, cotton, silver, aluminum, synthetic, corrugated. Okay, proper adjectives or materials. And then the final category, the eighth category, is purpose. Okay, purpose means like, what do we use the noun for? Okay, the purpose of the noun: running shoes, sleeping bag, lower vase, frying pan, tennis racket, coffee table. What kind of table? A coffee table. The purpose of the table is the coffee. A pool hall. What kind of hall? A pool hall. Okay. Hunting cabin, baseball player. What kind of player? Baseball or football. So that's the purpose. Okay. So let's take a look at some examples, and you're going to see here that I have written down the type of adjectives with the number of the category, so that you realize, you see clearly the order. Okay, I want that beautiful big old green American car. Okay, or you can say I want that big American car. Okay, but in any case, quality, size, age, color, proper adjective. Okay, origin. My cousin has a loving, strong, big brown bulldog. Okay, the same. Opinion: quality, size, color. Incredible old Italian restaurant. First opinion, then age, and after that origin. Um, a huge rectangular brown corrugated box. Okay, first the size, then the shape, then the color, then the material. An interesting pink plastic glass. Well, my opinion is that it's interesting. The color is pink and the material is plastic, and so on and so forth. Some slim new French trousers, an amazing new American movie, and I bought a pair of blue leather running shoes. Okay, first the color, then the material, and then the purpose. Okay, the purpose. Okay, run shoes. What do we use the shoes for? For running. Okay, good. Okay, so now. Uh, well, you have this video. Now you have the right order, and I want you to do some homework. Okay, first, you're going to write 3 sentences with 4 adjectives. So you practice a long list. Okay, we don't usually use in the conversation 4 adjectives. We might at times, okay, but it's unlikely. Or even 3 adjectives, okay, but write another, another 3 sentences with 3 adjectives. Then 3 more sentences with 2 adjectives, and this is probably the most popular case, when we use 2 adjectives, or sometimes seldom we might use 3 adjectives. But when you write, when you read, when you listen, you might hear now and then 3 and 4 or even more adjectives when you have to describe something, with adjectives. In Spanish and other languages, where adjectives come after the noun, you use commas. Not in English. We don't use commas in English. So we place everything before the noun, okay? So take a look at the video, watch it a couple of times, do your homework, and eventually, by using it, you will learn the proper way to use the order of the adjectives, okay? Remember, quality, opinion, size, age, shape, color, nationality or material, and finally purpose. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks very much for watching.